Verse 5, chapter 3 of the first book of Malachi. Then I will draw near to you for your judgment. I will be a swift witness against the sorcerers, against the adulterers, against those who swear falsely, against those who oppress the hireling in his wages, the widow and the orphan, against those thrust aside, the sojourner. And do not fear me, says the Lord of hosts. For I, the Lord, do not change. Therefore, you, O sons of Jacob, are not consumed from the days of your fathers. You have turned aside from my statutes, and you have not kept them. Return to me, and I will return to you, says the Lord of hosts. But you say, how shall we return? Will man rob God? Yet you are robbing me by your saying, how are we robbing you? In your tithes and offerings you are cursed with a curse, for you are robbing me, the whole nation of you. Bring the full tithes into the storehouses, that there may be food. There may be food in my house, and thereby put me to the test, says the Lord of hosts, if I will not open the window of heaven for you and pour down you an overflowing blessing. I will rebuke the devourer for you, so that it will not destroy the fruits of your soil. And your vine in the field shall not fail to bear, says the Lord of hosts. Then all nations will call you blessed, for you will be a land of delight, says the Lord of hosts. Your words have been stout against me, says the Lord. Yet you say, how have we spoken against you? You have said, it is vain to serve God. What is the good of our keeping in his charge, of walking as in mourning before the Lord of hosts? Henceforth we deem the arrogant blessed. Evildoers not only prosper, but when they put God to the test, they escape. Then those who fear the Lord spoke one to one another. The Lord heeded and heard them, and a book of remembrance was written before him of those who fear the Lord and thought of his name. They shall be mine, says the Lord of hosts, my special possession on the day when I act, and I will spare them. As a man spares his son who serves him, then once more you shall distinguish between the righteous and the wicked, between those who serve God and those who do not serve God. For behold, the day becomes burning like an oven, when all the arrogant and all evildoers will be stubble. The day that comes shall burn them up, says the Lord of hosts, so that it will leave them neither nor branch. But for you who fear the name, the Son of Righteousness shall rise in healing. In its wings you shall go forth, leaping like